Hello everyone, we are going to discuss about one of the major topic of our advertising which is commonly used these days. It is the PPC advertising. So PPC stands for pay per click. This technique of advertising is used day by day by many advertisers. Pay per click advertising can transform your marketing strategy and drive measurable results for your business. So we are going to discuss about the PPC advertising slide by slide. So the first slide which come is here we will going to discuss understanding of a PPC advertising. So the PPC advertising is an online advertising model where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. This allows the advertiser to target a specific audience and only pay when your ad or his ad are interacted with a consumer. There are many platforms where PPC advertising is used. The most popular PPC platforms are Microsoft Advertising, Google Ads, social media platforms like Facebook, Insta, and LinkedIn. So now we will going to discuss how it works, how the PPC advertising is used. So advertiser bids on keywords which is relevant to their products and services. And when someone or any person is searching for those keywords, then the advertiser's ad is appear at the top of the search and results driving qualified traffic to their website. So now we are going to discuss about the advantages of a PPC advertising. The first and the foremost advantage of PPC advertising is the target reach. The target reach of a PPC advertising is very large and very accurate. PPC, that is pay per click, allows you to precisely target your ideal customer based on the demographic area, their area of interest, and what is their online behavior. These things matters a lot when pay-per-click advertising is used. So the second is the advantage, which is a measurable result. PPC, that is pay-per-click, provides detailed analytics and performance metrics by which the huge data is collected by the advertiser. He can know where where to enable or where to track the success of your campaign, which type of product is used and you are in demand. So the advertiser get the idea by it. So it also provides the data that which type of product or which category product is interested in the public. The third benefit of pay-per-click advertising is that PPC campaigns can be easily adjusted. The advertiser can easily pause it or scale up or scale down based on his business needs and budget. And the fourth and the last advantage which we are going to discuss is the immediate results. Unlike organic marketing, PPC can drive immediate traffic and leads to allowing you to see the results quickly. For example, if we are going with the advertising in the television, then it is quite possible that you are not able to know the results that how many people are watched it. But when we use the pay-per-click advertising, the results are very quick. You can know easily in a certain time that how many person are what is the traffic comes in your products and how many people are seeing your product. So our next slide is the targeting specific audience. So the first one which we are going to discuss is the keyword targeting. In this, the advertiser identify and bid on the most relevant keywords that he target audience is searching for. In that he use only those type of words and he buy only those type of keywords which are in demand and what his target audience is. According to that, the advertisers buy the keywords or bid the word which are important. The second one is the behavior targeting. Behavior targeting, the target user based on their browsing habits, their interest and previous interactions. These things drive the behavior targeting. The third one is the demographic targeting. As the name suggests demographic, it includes the place which affects the gender, what are the demographic characteristic from which country your advertisers is targeting the audience. These things matters. So, so our next slide is how we can measure results and analytics. Uh, as I have already tell you about that, the PPC advertising is very useful thing when we are going to know informations are getting want a result very quickly. So the first we can going to discuss is key performance metrics. So closely monitoring metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, cost per click, and return on ad spend to optimize your campaign. These are the things. And the other two are the detailed reporting and continuous optimization. These are the things which comes under measurable results of PPC advertising. So we are going to discuss our next slide, which is the PPC campaign. In the PPC campaign, we are going certain point discussed, but there are the one point which includes certain sub points, that is flexibility and scalability, which is offered by a PPC advertising. So the first and importance is that flexible budget. By using it, we can adjust our PPC budget up or down based on our business needs and campaign performance. The second is the automated bidding. We can take advantages of advanced bidding strategies and machine learning to optimize our bids automatically. The third one is the targeted campaign. We can create multiple targeted campaign to reach different segments of our audience. So the fourth is the scalable approach. Easily scalable your PPC efforts up or down to meet your changing business objectives. So we are going to discuss about increased brand visibility by using a PPC advertising. So there are three things which we can see, that top of the search result, targeted placements and retargeting campaign. So we are going to discuss one by one. The first is the top of the search result. So by using a PPC ads, that is pay-per-click advertisement, appear at the top of the search engine results pages, increasing your brand visibility and exposure. So it helps you to your product that it gets a proper exposure. It goes to the right audience which are interested in your product. Second one is the target placement. Your ads can be strategically placed on relevant website, social media platforms, and other online channels, which help him to grow faster. And the third one is the retargeting campaign. By using it, we can engage with previous website visitors and encourage them to return and convert through retargeting ads. The fourth and the last slide is the cost-effective marketing strategy. It is the biggest benefit for a small advertising companies or small enterprises which are not having a huge budget. So for the startups, it is important that they should be cost effective. So the most use of the pay per click are used by the startups, as it is very cost effective marketing strategy. PPC offers a favorable return on investment. It is efficient budget allocation, and it also promotes the avoid wasted spend. Like in an advertising, maybe the huge actor or actress we need for an advertisement, but by using pay per click advertisement there is no such need to hire any actor or actress, so it is cost effective, and also it it is the consumer based audience. So we can also conclude it as we can use PPC advertising for a startup companies, and where there is a less capital, then we should always prefer PPC advertising. So that's all.